Good afternoon to all of you, online students as well. So now here, this is our first lecture. So this is introductory lecture, actually. So what we will see here, changing trend in the CSET. So introduction, like I will tell you about myself. I will, especially your introduction actually, as far as mathematics is concerned. तो वो ज़्यादा important है मेरे लिए. Online student, see here, whatever doubt you have, you can put in chat. We kept you on mute mode because our experience in the previous batches, if you will start talking, I will not able to talk. तो एक ही आदमी एक टाइम पे बोले ज़्यादा अच्छा रहता है. But whatever doubt you have, you can put here in the chat. I will reply. And for the doubt discussion, after every class, half an hour doubt discussion, or whenever I complete any topic, I will ask you 2-3 times, any doubt, then I start the next topic. So doubt will not be any problem. And I tell you, there are 2-3 like problem we have. One is doubt only. तो doubt पालना नहीं है, ठीक है? Whatever doubt you have to raise that doubt, you have to ask. Okay. Sometimes like offline student, they hesitate to ask doubt in the classroom because of like other peoples are also there. Some beautiful people, handsome people are there. तो कुछ ना कुछ झिझक रहती है. So if you have that झिझक here, you can ask me doubt after the class. कोई भी doubt हो. If it is 6th standard doubt, then also you can ask me. Okay, don't keep doubt with yourself. एक बीमारी है carelessness. We will work on that. कि we have to minimize that carelessness. I tell you later on. Okay. So what we will do? We start with this 2021 analysis. Before that, I ask you, offline student, I already asked. For online student, and I never ask like how many engineer are there in the class. We know how we have done our engineering. Those who have done engineering, we have 2 type of engineer, कुछ नाम से कुछ काम से. Okay. So here there is no relationship in the changing trend of CSET. If you are engineer, then it will be added advantage to you to qualify this CSET. No, it will not help you. So my concern is if you are comfortable with the basic concept of mathematics or not. Offline student, I already asked like how many of you will start from zero, or those who like came in the last 5 minutes. So just tell me, जीरो से ही स्टार्ट कर रहे, कोई नेगेटिव से तो नहीं स्टार्ट कर रहा मतलब. ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट कंफर्टेबल, ओके, जीरो से सर. हार्ट्स कह रहा है जीरो से, ठीक है जी. -1, ये -1 कहां से आ गया? इफ यू नो -1 इज सम वैल्यू ओवर देयर, मींस यू आर एट जीरो. अगर आपको नेगेटिव इंटीजर पता है तो इट मींस आप नेगेटिव नहीं हो मैथमेटिक्स में, आप जीरो पे हो. जिसको नेगेटिव इंटीजर नहीं पता उसको फिर मैं नेगेटिव बोलूंगा कि मैथमेटिक्स नेगेटिव है. ये दूसरा आईएस सेतु कौन आ गया? स्टूडेंट भी आईएस सेतु के नाम से है, जीरो. ऐसे तो कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा यार. तो काइंडली कीप योर ओरिजिनल नेम. Online student, my request is you just join the class with your original name. Video issue, I tell you. Online student, am I audible? Just write yes in comment if I'm audible, if I'm visible to you. Audio video okay? Yes. चलो मैं बताता हूँ. If 10%, 20% student they can see me online, they can hear me online, it means from my side everything is fine. Our server is okay. If you have any problem with the audio video, check your Wi-Fi connection. If all the 100% student they have problem with the audio video, online student के लिए message है, then there is something wrong on our part. But if every class in the starting I will ask you, am I audible, visible? 10-12 student they will say yes, it means from my side there is no problem. So your side kindly check your Wi-Fi connection. Jio or Airtel? चलो जी, start with the 2021 today's introductory lecture. तो we will be relax about this mathematics, आपस में कुछ जानेंगे. And before we start, let's have introduction of the CSET. What is actually CSET now? ठीक है, in the changing trend. Then we will start our classes mainly from the next class section. But today class is very important because today's class will give idea to us what we have to do in this next 50 classes and how we will use our test series. That is very important here. So 2021 analysis, topic wise I tell you. There is one thing, statement based question. And after this, I tell you why statement based questions are very important for UPSC CSET. I tell you the comparison in banking, SSC, CSET. मैं एक comparison आपको बताऊंगा how this CSET is different from banking exam, how this CSET is different from CAT, how this CSET exam is different from SSC exam. Because student they ask me, sir, can I practice CAT material? Don't do that. I will tell you the logic and I will talk with the logic. ऐसे हवा में बात नहीं करूंगा, हर चीज के लॉजिक के साथ बात करूंगा. Statement based question in 2021 around 8. But from last 3-4 years, if you see the analysis, 2020, 2019, 2018, they ask around 1 or 2 question, 2, then this is 4-5 question, this is 8. So 2022 around 10 or 8 to 10 question, maybe 12, but not less than 8 question. Statement based questions will be there. This is the trend. I tell you the reason for this trend. GS paper. See here, if you see the trend in GS, that help you to understand the trend in CSET also. GS paper prior to 2005, those year 90s, 2001 to 2005, in GS paper, and even you know, prior to CSET, CSET से पहले क्या होता था prelims में? How many of you know that? Optional हुआ करता था prelims में. And GS online student also can participate. Prior to CSET, in our prelims there used to be 2 paper. पहले भी 2 ही पेपर होते थे in prelims, GS plus optional. Multiple choice question. Optional also multiple choice question. GS still now we have multiple choice question in prelims. Now in GS we have 100 question. Earlier you know how many question they used to ask in GS prior to CSET? There used to be 150 question. And now here each question 2 marks. Earlier each question 1 marks. And optional there used to be 120 question and that paper was of 300 marks. So GS weightage was half as compared to optional. So point here is not prior to CSET, prior to even 2005. See the GS trend here. Prior to 2005, in GS paper, they used to ask one-liner question, factual question, like what we have in banking SSC nowadays, state PCS nowadays, single statement based question. Single statement आती थी and they used to ask this question. They used to ask personality, sports, रटना पड़ता था, मतलब गधे की तरह रटना पड़ता था पहले in GS also. But now here GS paper I will say of UPSC is the toughest exam in India. Our GS paper of our prelims here is the toughest exam actually. Don't think we have 100 question in GS now. We have more than 200 question. Why I'm saying we have more than 200 question? Can anyone tell me? Statements. Every question we have 2 or more than 2 statement. Multiple statement questions we have. So here GS also we have multiple statement questions. Because with the statement based question they can check your concept. So one trend from GS you can notice here, they are asking statement based question in GS. Same trend we can see in CSET. Don't compare CSET with banking, or like don't see there is a similarity in banking and CSET. See the similarity in UPSC GS paper and UPSC CSET paper. Then you can have the nerve of CSAT paper with you, then you can understand what will be the trend here or what they will ask in 2022 actually. So one thing is statement based question. In GS also we have, and in CSAT also they start asking. Because here with statement based question, I can check your concept. Second thing is fact and concept. Earlier, prior to 2005 in GS, they used to ask factual question. But now we have conceptual question. We have more conceptual question in our GS. Facts are there, but concept are more important in our GS. Similarly here, in our CSET 2021 paper, basic formulas are okay, but we don't need high-fi formulas. With basic formulas, I can solve each and every question of CSET. So here, but your concept has to be good. Formulas are not required. There is no requirement of list of 1000 formulas and you have to mug up 1000 formula. Basic formula like time, speed, distance make formula. Distance is equal to speed into time. ये तो पता ही होना चाहिए. And we don't expect that you know, like here, more formulas. If you know the basic formula, even in permutation and combination also, we can handle each and every question of CSET, but conceptual clarity is must. So second thing, what is important? Rather than calculation, concepts are important. There are two comparisons, calculation or concept. I say concept. Calculation, okay, but not that important. I will tell you the difference in banking and CSET, then I tell you what is important here, concept or calculation. So concept. So here, what we can see from GS paper, statement based questions we have in CSET, and they will keep on increasing the statement based question in our CSET paper. Second is question from two topics. This is the new trend in CSET paper actually. GS, you know very well, in GS paper, they have given two statements, one statement from geographical concept, second is current affairs statement. Multiple topic. Like geography mapping, they don't ask a question from drainage, one statement from drainage, one statement from physiography of India. Or one is drainage, one is vegetation. They mix two topics in one question. So they are doing the same thing in CSET in 2021. There were 13 questions. Here, the concept of two topics used in one question. And they will increase this. I guarantee you, minimum 15 questions will be there in 2022. Minimum 15 question will be there where we will have question from two topic. Like this year, calendar question. But it was not only calendar. Either number system plus calendar or arithmetic progression plus calendar. So there were 13 questions where like they use the concept of two topic in that question. Now next, number system, 19 question. Even in 2020 also they ask good number of questions from the number system. But I tell you in number system, what type of questions we expect nowadays, like 50-60 is conventional question, but 40-50% questions are observation based question. Observation based question. Two-digit number, we have to reverse that and we have to subtract it from the original number, then the difference. Observation of two-digit number, observation on the factors, observation on square root or perfect square number, observation. So you have to be good in observation or conceptual question. Percentage 3 question, logical reasoning 6 question, coding decoding 2 question, puzzle 1 question, number series 2 question, character puzzle 2 question, time speed distance 1 question, ratio 3 question, average 1 question, non-verbal reasoning 1 question, directions as 2 question, calendar 4 question. Okay. I will give this, don't worry. Okay, ये PDF I will provide you. Within a week we will make one Telegram group. लिखना है तो फटाफट लिख भी सकते हो. हाँ जी हर्ष, what is your doubt? अच्छा, डी आर अभिषेक का डाउट है कि सर कोर्स इज फॉर 3 और 4 मंथ, इट इज अराउंड 3 मंथ बट इट इज टिल प्रीलिम्स। हम आपका पीछा नहीं छोड़ने वाले, योर टेस्ट सीरीज इज देयर, सो टिल प्रीलिम्स देयर आर टेस्ट। And like this time this is something different we have actually. Generally what happen when you join any course, once the class is over, institute people they say bye bye, ठीक है? But in our CSET classes are just 50%. जो 50% effort है, 50% learning we will have through our test series. Okay, test series is also very important. Hanji Hers, what is your doubt? You can write in comment. Okay, ठीक है। Yes, test discussion will be there. DI, data interpretation 2 question, problem on age is 1 question, P and C, permutation and combination 2 question, clock 1 question, time and work 1 question, geometry and mensuration 1 question, reading comprehension 27 question, critical reasoning 3 question. Like once I complete the thing, you can ask doubt or you can ask doubt in between. आपका यही डाउट था कि आप डाउट कब पूछ सकते हो, आप बीच में भी पूछ लेना। सर वी कैन ज्वाइन आफ्टर 3 मंथ्स ऑल्सो। हाँ जी, समझ में नहीं आ रहा, 3 महीने के बाद नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए यू कैन ज्वाइन। हाँ जी विवेक, व्हाट इज योर डाउट? यू कैन राइट इन कमेंट। डन। नेक्स्ट इज स्टूडेंट दे आस्क मी, पहले ही क्लास में बता देता हूं बिकॉज दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हियर, सो वी विल अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ सी सेट। स्टूडेंट दे आस्क मी सर like here CSET is getting tougher year by year, so can I practice? अभी नहीं, from last 5-6 year और like starting में भी पूछते थे sir I have this CAT book with me, I have purchased this CAT book, ठीक है? तो can I practice question from this CAT material? See here I tell you, if your competition is for swimming और आपको सिर्फ सरफेस पे स्विमिंग करनी है, you have to swim on the surface water. So here if you practice swimming in the deep water, will it help for the surface swimming? No. तो आप अलग ही दुनिया में प्रैक्टिस करोगे। कैट इज दैट गेम एक्चुअली, आई टेल यू। And here student they keep on asking me sir can you suggest any good book for CSET? See, irony of the fact is in market there is no CSET book actually, because to publish CSET book effort required, वो effort कोई कर नहीं रहा है। See the people, those who have published CSET book, what they have done, they have taken banking material, they have written CSET book and that is available in the market. Even the CAT also, like they have taken some material from the CAT, rather than CAT उसमें एक बीच में S और डाल दिया, चलो जी लोगों का बेवकूफ बना रहा है, as far as that part is concerned. So what is important here? Yes, PYQ is also there in your course, don't worry. Now we will see comparison here actually. Why this, like how come this CSET paper is different from banking exam, how it is different from SSC exam, and how our exam is different from CAT also. Okay. Then we will see what we have to prefer rather than banking material, rather than CAT material. तो उसका मैं आपको बताऊं। Here we have aptitude exam. अच्छा उससे पहले एक आपका मिथ दूर कर देता हूं। रूमर्स सुनोगे आप, ठीक है? यूपीएससी इज फुल ऑफ रूमर्स, एज घट रही है। आज तक तो मैंने देखा नहीं, मतलब 16 साल से यूपीएससी ऑब्जर्व कर रहा हूं मैं, बढ़ी है घटी नहीं है। So they will not decrease the age, because election every year there is a election in any of the state, तो वो तो नहीं होने वाला। Second rumor here is many of the students or like, and generally I found that the source of this rumor is Mukherjee Nagar, Batra Sanima. Those who don't know that they can go there, ठीक है जी, can have idea. You can keep your mobile on vibration mode. नहीं, सॉरी की बात नहीं है, उसका मैं बताता हूँ दो फायदे हैं. If you keep your mobile on vibration mode, one thing is you and others people will not get disturbed, and you will get some massage also. थोड़ी सी मतलब. अच्छा, मैं क्या कह रहा था, र्यूमर की बात है. एक र्यूमर आपको सुनने में आएगा, लाइक यूपीएससी गोइंग टू बी स्क्रैप दिस सी सेट. Aptitude is there in all the competitive exam, banking, even the teacher job also. Those who have given or those who are planning to give, और किसी के भाई बहन दे रहा होगा, तो even teaching competitive exam also there is aptitude. Not only CSET, this is aptitude. Prior to CSET also there was aptitude in our GS paper. पहले भी था aptitude तो. Prior to CSET in GS, they used to ask 150 question. Out of 150 question, 15-16 question they used to ask on aptitude. I guarantee you, aptitude will be there, and it is required also actually. This is required also, but it can be in any of the form. Some exam it is compulsory, some exam it is qualified. For you people, it is qualified. ठीक है? It is qualified. चलो, before I tell you this banking SSC and this, I tell you one thing, why this CSET paper is getting tougher year by year. नहीं तो मैं भूल जाऊंगा बताना. Why this CSET paper is getting tougher year by year? क्योंकि किसी की ईगो हर्ट हुई है. किसकी? यूपीएससी की. Like all of you comfortable with little bit Hindi in between, or is there anyone having problem with Hindi? Nothing, like Hindi zero. You understand little bit Hindi? थोड़ी. Now see the trend here in CSET. CSET paper was introduced in 2011, and 2011 to 2014-15 CAT people, they come tawai machai, like they got 190 marks in CSET. In GS they used to get 70 marks. Anyhow they used to pass the mains also tukke se, and they get selected, and like here they went to Mussoorie Academy. But they don't have any like aptitude of civil services actually, तो वो था ही नहीं उनका. So here there was survey also. ठीक है कि like here जो crowd आ रहा है ठीक नहीं आ रहा है, तो you just look after this. So 2011, 12, 13, 14 CSET paper was not qualifying actually. CSET paper marks used to add in your prelims. Then especially from Hindi medium side, from Hindi medium students especially, like here agitation started that UPSC has to scrap this CSET paper because it is favorable for English medium student or any of the reason, like here, so this is partiality or like that type of thing. Because of election year, because of anything in between, politician, they have taken the decision, they asked the UPSC to make CSET paper qualify. So they made CSET paper qualify. भाई पॉलिटिकल बॉस है तो सुनना तो पड़ेगा ही. बट यू टेल मी who introduced CSET in 2011? UPSC. Who introduced CSET? UPSC. And this CSET is very close to UPSC heart. But बड़े चाव से like they introduced this CSET paper. And because of political pressure they made CSET paper qualify. बुरा तो लगेगा, बुरा लगेगा तो वो फिर बुरा भी करेंगे. See here they made CSET paper qualifying because of political pressure. ठीक है, they told okay, you ask us to make CSET paper qualifying, we have done that, but there are certain things in our hand, we can do that. So after that 1 or 2 years when CSET paper was qualifying, okay, but later on they realized like there is no importance of CSET at all if it will be qualified. So then slowly and gradually they are making CSET paper difficult because they want people has to be in that bracket of 67 marks or near to 67 because they want a due respect for CSET. They cannot make again CSET paper scoring paper like what they have done in 2011. They cannot do. ठीक है, political आका से कोई भी पंगा नहीं लेगा. So indirectly I want respect for CSET. So what I can do, I can make paper CSET paper difficult. So that is the reason what I feel they are making CSET paper qualifying. Now we come to this analysis. Why CSET is different from banking exam? Maybe any one of you have given banking, bank PO or bank clerk exam. आपने कभी दिया होगा. Or maybe you have heard about this. See, here we have aptitude. Everywhere there is aptitude. Either banking exam, SSC exam, CAT, or maybe teaching job also there is aptitude. But the nature of that aptitude exam is different. See here, see the job nature here. It is clerical post. Even although they call PO, but it is clerical post. So that's why, like here, you find in banking exam, calculation based questions are more. Quantitative aptitude questions are more. Formula based questions are more. Here calculation is more important in banking exam rather than concept. Concept से क्या कर लेंगे वो? आपसे तो calculation ही करवानी है ना बैंक पीओ में. Over calculator you has to be good. So here you will find calculation based questions are more in banking exam. Formula based questions are more. Quantitative aptitude questions are more. You have to apply little mind. मतलब ज़्यादा mind नहीं लगाना है in banking paper. You know the formula, you fit that formula, you get direct answer. No need to apply the mind in banking paper. Second come SSC exam, CGL, combined graduation level. Some students they take this SSC exam as a backup. And I think many of you know what is the job nature here in SSC exam, or I can tell you starting here it is clerical post. आप desk के ऊपर बैठेंगे, you are clerk over there. वो clerical work actually. After 15-20 year of your service, you are promoted as IRS, maybe IAS, depend on the department. जो income tax like here inspector लगते हैं, after 15 or 20 year of their job they become IRS, Indian Revenue Service. So one thing is here in this SSC starting year clerical post, after that this is civil servant post actually after 15-20 years. I just tell you one thing, if any one of you want to prepare for SSC, it is good job you can do as a alternate, as a backup. But the problem here is you got selected in SSC, your friend or your neighbor, चेहरा देख लो, got selected in UPSC. कोई फर्क नहीं है. But this friend of yours सारी उम्र यही जताएगा you are junior and 20 year junior. इससे ज्यादा मोटिवेट नहीं कर सकता. This is 1 year or 2 year. You give your best shot here. You put your 100% because जमीन आसमान का फर्क है in SSC and UPSC. There is no match like with this UPSC job. Now I come to the point, since it is a mixture of clerical and the civil servant post, that's why you find mixture of the question here. Formula based questions are there, calculation based questions are there, analytical thinking based questions are also there, reasoning based questions are also there, where you have to apply your mind. But whereas civil services like this exam CSET, UPSC get instruction from the government that you have to conduct one exam for civil servant. Civil services नाम में भी clear है, civil services aptitude test. So this is the aptitude test for civil servant. You are not going to be clerk, you are going to be DC, director, secretary, chief secretary, cabinet secretary. Clerk you will get, lots of clerk you will get. So here my concern is not to check your only calculation. Calculation has to be there in aptitude part, but my main concern is not to check your calculation, not to check your formulas. I want to check your reasoning power, your thinking power, your decision taking power. Okay, how you can read that question, how you can apply your concept, how you can apply your mind. So here conceptual questions will be there, reasoning based questions are there, analytical questions are there, thinking based questions are there, where we have to apply mind. And that is the actually वो trend अब start हो रहा है. Actually the trend of CSET paper is starting from 2020 onward. अभी तो like they are working on that actually. So here this is required in CSET. You are going to be civil servant, not clerk. So that's why accordingly your paper will be there. So how I can justify CSET if I give a test which is actually for clerk people? So I will not able to justify CSET. There is one thing CAT, that is for private sector people. Not the difference in CSET and CAT. CAT, they judge you based on only aptitude, only on math and English part. There is no GS factor. Group discussion GD is there, but here mainly this is math and English. But whereas in civil services, your GS is also there. Okay. So here, since you are just based on only math and English, that's why this is difficult paper. क्योंकि सिर्फ मैथ और रीजनिंग पे तो आप और मैथ और इंग्लिश पे तो आप जज हो रहे हो. Here it is only one of the part of your like here competition, this aptitude, but this is aptitude is only important here, so that's why it is difficult exam. Here if we have 2 to 3 steps question, here we have 7 to 8 steps question. Difficult, yes, very difficult. So here why to practice difficult question? It will not help you. Better like you practice 1000 question of same difficulty level. Rather than having difficult question, we will practice more questions of same difficulty level. That will help you in CSET. Like don't practice any CAT material, because this is different game. This is different game. Now what we will do for CSET actually? One thing is we have CSET paper with us from 2011 to 2021. After the classes, we will have PYQ sessions also, recorded sessions will be given, but previous year questions are there topic wise, 2011 to 2020. Some students, they say, their argument here is UPSC never repeat the question. And as a candidate, as a good candidate, I never expect from UPSC to repeat the question. This will help you for GS also, जो मैं अभी बताने वाला हूँ, I will tell you. So I never expect from UPSC to repeat the question, but still previous year questions are very very important. Might be you heard this thing, काफी लोग बात ही करते हैं, like hard work and smart work. So they say you have to do smart work. Smart work is nothing. Smart work is hard work in right direction. Smart work का ये मतलब नहीं कि आपने काम कम करना है, काम तो उतना ही करना है. You have to put the same effort, but you have to put the same effort in the right direction. And who will tell you the right direction? UPSC has given you two things. You are preparing for UPSC, not for coaching, not for ISA. तो आप UPSC के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हो, कहीं भी कोई भी कोचिंग ज्वाइन करो, that is just to help you out, but you are preparing for UPSC. Tell me, UPSC has given you two things. What are given by UPSC? Syllabus and previous year questions. It is not like banking exam. Like in banking they take paper back, पता नहीं क्या ही छुपा लेंगे वो. UPSC they give you previous year questions are available to us and syllabus. So these two are the important tool to maintain the right direction, and timely you have to check. What happened here? Timely we have to check we are moving in the right direction or not. Like for example, you are here in Old Rajendra Nagar. Okay? On 31st December, although there is night curfew, but otherwise like you want to go for the party to Hoskas Club, Hoskas Village, एक Hoskas Village नाम का एक एरिया यहाँ पे, ठीक है जी, और मे बी CP, or maybe Gurugram. See here, you start from this Old Rajendra Nagar. It's not like that you move for 15 kilometer, आप 15 kilometer चले, then you check कि whether I have reached the Gurugram or not. What you do actually? You keep on checking at every, like here, crossing. You check in between whether I'm going in the, you don't know the way actually, so you keep on asking or you keep on checking whether I'm going in the right direction or not, because you know if you take the wrong way, it will cost you in term of time or petrol also, you have to take U-turn. But in UPSC I have seen people, they cross check after 1 year. After prelims exam they check you right direction में थे या गलत में थे. So you have to check here also, in UPSC preparation also, timely whether you are moving in the right direction or not. And who will tell you? Syllabus and your PYQ. So after every 10 days, after every 15 days, whenever you have to revise any of your topic in CSET, even in GS, you check previous year question first on that topic, on that subject. Check whether your preparation is up to the mark or not, whether you are moving in the right direction or not. Because in UPSC, wrong way costs 1 year, not 2-3 kilometers, it costs 1 year actually. So timely you have to check whether you are moving in the right direction or not. So timely you have to check syllabus, you have to keep your syllabus with you, and you have to check your PYQ on that topic. Whenever you have to start any topic, you check PYQ, or whenever you finish any topic, you check PYQ on that. Now I come to this point why these are important even in GS also. So what we will do analysis. I already done and I have framed lectures accordingly. So what we will do analysis on 2011 to 2021 paper of CSET. See, we will see topic wise, number system, percentage, ratio and proportion, dice and other thing. 2011 we will check how many questions asked. Then you will find number system every year 10 to 12 question asked, and you will find in last 2-3 years 2019, 20, 21 they asked more than 15 questions. More than 15, this time 18 questions. Percentage every year 2 to 3 question, every year 2 to 3 question, every year 2 to 3 question. Ratio and proportion 1 question, dice 1 question, but here now it is 0 0 0 question. अभी नहीं पूछ रहे dice से from last 2 years. So here can I say this analysis will tell you the weightage of topic, like number system minimum 10 question. So it means 2022 also we can expect minimum 10, or maybe nowadays they are asking more than 15 questions. So accordingly we have to give the weightage in our coaching, in our classes, that we have to do number system in detail. And I tell you one thing, this cube and dice topic, this type of thing, they ask what will be opposite of 2, opposite of 3 or coloring of cube topic. See, this was actually one of the favorite topic of UPSC. UPSC को इस टॉपिक से एक मोहब्बत थी, बट वो 2 साल से मोहब्बत दिख नहीं रही है, मतलब मोहब्बत शिफ्ट हो गई है. There is one new topic actually in the UPSC is basic numeracy topic. From last 2 years they start asking question on that basic numeracy. That topic is like PP into PP is equal to Q0 2P, and they ask P and Q are the different digit, and what is Q minus P or P minus Q. We have to calculate this. This year they ask 2 questions on this concept, and you will be surprised. Here what we use in this topic, आपको बता दूंगा ना, आप कहोगे अच्छा ये भी है क्या इसमें, and it seems difficult actually. जब देखोगे ना on it face, because we have not never practiced this type of question during school days, that's why it seems difficult. Like एक है जैसे cry, किसी ने हमारे उसमें पैपलेट में देखा होगा, cry is equal to baby. So then there is one calculation asked. What is used here actually? Table of 1 to 9. 1 से 9 की टेबल यूज हो रही है. I think all of you know table of 1 to 9. We know, but we have not observed. Observation नहीं किया कभी उस पे. Observation नहीं किया. We will do that observation, then we will solve these questions here actually. So this is the new topic actually, which has replaced dice topic. Dice से ना पूछ के अब they ask question on basic numeracy. So the idea is when we do this analysis, we can find the weightage of the topic and we can see the trend. Previous year question will tell you what is the trend actually. No one will tell you. So same thing you do for GS. You take polity topic wise, and you will be surprised. You will find there are the topic like union and state. Every year multiple question. And when you check the question that union and state they ask question like money bill. Like what is the power of Lok Sabha regarding this type of bill? What is the power of Rajya Sabha regarding this type of bill? Constitution amendment bill. Okay? They ask conceptual question from that. If you do this analysis on economics, online student also, what you will find, you will be surprised. एक topic है money and banking. Nearly 40% question of economics. अगर economics से 10 question पूछ रहा है, 4 question they ask from money and banking chapter. So that thing. So for geography, if you do this analysis, you will find 40 to 50% questions are map-based questions asked. Okay, world map they ask 1 or 2 questions, one from physical, one from places in news. So this is the trend you can catch actually. So here, yes, अभी मैं आज CSET का बता दूं. GS का कभी बताएंगे 1 महीने बाद, पहले CSET. So one thing is, rather than doing any CAT level book, CSET paper 2011 to 21 are very, very important, and even these are that much important. GS paper also, last 10 year paper are those important. If you attempt this paper 50 times, then also it is beneficial. मैं बोल रहा हूँ 50 times भी अगर आप ये पेपर अटेम्प्ट कर रहे हो ना, still it is beneficial. And here what we do, like we just do formality, we just check once actually, और वो भी नहीं करते. So we have to do multiple time. Observe these questions. Observe this question in such a way that you have your own analysis, you have your own trend. You come to know that you can anticipate question if you observe this analysis actually. Second thing is GS question bank. For GS also you have to do, but for my CSET prior to 2011 they ask question in GS paper which they call GMA, general mental ability part, and you will be surprised every year there are around 1 or 2 questions they pick from this previous year question of UPSC and they ask exactly in CSET. See, actually what we are doing, we are trying to read the mind of the examiner who are making CSET paper. And how you can read? If you want to read my mind, you see my previous papers which I ask in my batches, then you can have idea what I will ask in your test, in the next test. Same here, there is a team which prepare question for this CSET, which has prepared question for GS prior to 2011 GMA question. So you can see there is similarity. Rather than banking, this question you will find there is a similarity in CSET, there is a similarity in GS question bank prior to 2011 what they ask as a GMA questions. Third thing, there is one exam conducted by UPSC and many people they give, जो UPSC का exam civil services का देते हैं, they give that also, assistant commandant CPF exam. I think many of you heard about this. Same team prepare the paper for that. But the point here is CSET is bit difficult, थोड़ा सा difficult है, ज़्यादा difficult नहीं as compared to assistant commandant CPF, but still the pattern is almost same, style is almost same, question style is almost same. So here you can do this thing, and this time for your batches, like I will give you GS important question what they asked prior to 2011, so I will cover that, I will give a recorded lecture on that, तो आप वो भी देख लेना, उससे भी like we will have ideas. Okay. Now next is, we have 4 basic chapter here. One is number system, second is percentage, third one is ratio and proportion, R and P is ratio and proportion, fourth one is average. Like I ask you, like how many of you starting at 0 or negative? So many of you, around 40% student, they told like they have to start from 0. So those who are going to start from 0, for them there is one homework. Your homework is, those who think that they are 0 in mathematics, these people, and those who feel like I'm comfortable with basic, for them it is not required. You take 6th NCERT, 7th NCERT, 8th NCERT mathematics, no need for 9th and 10th. 6th, 7th, 8th NCERT you can purchase from the market, or you can download the PDF on Google. You take number system chapter. अच्छा, 2 चीजें और बतानी मेरे को. हाँ जी, what you prefer, like any of you, when you have to cover any book, like Lakshmikant for example, we start from the first chapter and we have to finish that book at the earliest, then we have to take next book. Spectrum for example, one thing is, you know, the good sources, because for you people cost is too much, so you cannot afford like sources which are not good for UPSC. ऑफलाइन स्टूडेंट, आपकी कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग क्या है यहाँ? 15,000 का रूम, 5-7 हज़ार रुपये का खाना, ठीक है, कोचिंग 1.5 लाख 2 लाख रुपए, तो एवरी ईयर इट को 6 to 7 लाख। तो मतलब यू कैन नॉट अफोर्ड कि एक all students are informed student here, I know that, but I found what you are doing, you are covering the book, you are not covering the topic actually. आपने कभी रियलाइज किया है आपकी स्ट्रेटेजी, योर स्ट्रेटेजी इज टू कवर लक्ष्मीकांत, इज टू कवर NCERTs. Those who have read NCERT, 99.99% student, what they have done, they have read 6th NCERT. Immediately after that, they have read 7th NCERT, they have read 8th NCERT, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. Same thing you are doing for other books also. See here, even here also, if I say this student, they start reading 6th NCERT, पूरा पढ़ेंगे. Don't cover book, cover topic. Like here, fundamental right. First you read fundamental right from your NCERT. Then you read fundamental right from your coaching material. Then you read fundamental right from Lakshmikant. Then you can say with confidence, now I have confidence on fundamental right. आप बोल रहे हो मेरे को लक्ष्मीकांत के ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंस आ रहा है, लक्ष्मीकांत थोड़ी ना आपको IAS बनाएगा, आपको IAS तो फंडामेंटल राइट बनाएगा. See, this is one mistake actually we are doing actually, and that student they realize, then they are working on the topic in the second attempt. तो वो फिर second attempt में they start working on the topic wise. They take the topic, they solve question on that topic, and they refer the sources for that particular topic. Although Lakshmikant is one of the wonderful book, 95% it is important for us, but don't read anything cover to cover. You take topic, read topic. And second thing is, so similarly here, so those who are starting mathematics from zero, my point to you is, I have seen they purchase 6th NCERT, they read NCERT from cover to cover. नहीं करना ही नहीं है, वो गलत है, तरीका ही गलत है. You read 6, you take 6th NCERT, read number system from 6th NCERT. Then read number system from 7th NCERT. 6th is this standard, 7th is this standard, then you read number system from 8th standard. So it means you have decent enough idea about the basic concept of number system. Then you take next topic, percentage, you read percentage from the 6th standard, you read percentage from the 7th standard, you read percentage from the 8th standard. You will build the concept of percentage. क्यों अपने आप को सूडो कॉन्फिडेंस देना है? एक्चुअली ना व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, एक्चुअली वी आर गिविंग सूडो कॉन्फिडेंस और दिल को एक झूठी तसल्ली देते हैं. आई हैव रेड 6th NCERT, मैंने लक्ष्मीकांत रातों रात खत्म कर दी. हम तसल्ली दे रहे हैं अपने आप को एक्चुअली. एंड तसल्ली वाला पॉइंट अब नेक्स्ट बता रहा हूं. यू कैन टेल मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग ओवर देयर. आई टेल यू द स्टेजेस इन UPSC, ऑल ऑफ यू, ठीक है? You can counter me if I will be wrong. First stage, student, they are at the stage of reading. They read NCERT, they read Lakshmikant, they read Spectrum or Bipin Chandra, they read this. And when I ask like what you have done, I have read this. Then I ask how much you have written, पता नहीं. Can I give it? Can I take a test? ना टेस्ट मत लो. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे हार्ट अटैक आ जाएगा टेस्ट देते. We avoid test actually. I don't know why. बेइज्जती हो रही है तो अकेले में तो हो रही है. Don't tell your score to anyone. But we are afraid of that. Okay. Then people, they give attempt, and sometimes like here, or most of the time, they are not able to qualify prelims because they have read only. They have not written. Then they found toppers or maybe any of the senior, maybe any of the teacher will tell you, have you attempted MCQs? Then you will say, no, I have not done because of my first year of preparation, I was not able to do. Then you realize there is a mistake that you have not done MCQs or previous year question. Second year of preparation, student, they start working on PYQ and MCQs. Still, some students, they are not able to qualify prelims. What is the problem here actually? Can anyone tell me? I tell you. Here, you are attempting MCQs just for the sake of attempting MCQs actually. किसी ने बोल दिया MCQ लगाना, आप MCQ के पीछे पागलों की तरह लग गए. You are like after making a record कि मैंने 6000 MCQs लगा लिए. And what I realize here, If you are doing something wrong in the first test, if you have got wrong answer on fundamental right in the first test, 11th test also you are doing same mistake. Because you are just attempting MCQs. एक दिल को तसल्ली देने के लिए, like I have done 6,000 MCQs, so you are doing MCQs, but you are not improving on that. Doing mistake is not the problem. Repeating mistake is महापाप. And you are doing that actually. आपने MCQs तो लगा लिए, but where is the improvement? Improvement नहीं है. आपने पढ़ तो लिया, where is the improvement actually? So what you have to do in our classes, we have test series also. After 2 weeks there will be test. Every Tuesday there will be test. If your idea, I tell you 50% student they will not come for test for sure. मेरा experience है, अभी starting के 2 batches में भी रहा. Second thing is, and they attempt the test, they don't do analysis. If you are not going to do this analysis, don't attempt the test. I tell you one analysis, and even any test, if you are giving 2 hours, it is not 2 hours. ठीक है सी. Actually, one test required 4 hours, but you try to cover in 2 hours because you are in hurry to take one more test. Rather than attempting 2 tests in 4 hours, you better attempt only 1 test and you improve on that. You have to attempt the test, then you have to do analysis. Wherever you have done mistake, you have to work on that. You have to revise the same thing. गलती करके अगर सीखा ही नहीं तो फायदा क्या है? You will do the same mistake in the next test for sure. If you will not revise that concept, you will not revise that topic again. So what you have to do, our sectional test will be 30 to 40 question. Time will be 50 to 1 hour, 50 minutes to 1 hour. But after that, it will take 1 more hour. What you have to do in test, after attempting the test, you purchase one notebook, 20 rupees. पतला सा ही खरीदना, ज़्यादा मोटा नहीं खरीदना. There will be 35 tests. Page number 1, you write test 1, analysis. You have to make this table. अच्छा, is there anyone have done like gym or maybe any exercise type of thing? किया होगा काफी लोगों ने. Girls also, like nowadays they are fitness freak or fitness conscious. Sometimes like what happen, the very first day you start looking like this. होता है मतलब psychologically. Here also, student they give first test, they just want a improvement in them just merely on one test or with one class. ऐसा नहीं होता. Everything take time. Everything take time. ठीक है, and regular. You have to be regular with that. But if you attempt all these tests, I guarantee you after 15th test you can see the improvement in your score. You can see the improvement. वो फिर आपको 10-15 टेस्ट के बाद you can feel that improvement. एक ही टेस्ट पे मत पूछना कि सर मेरी कैलकुलेशन नहीं इंप्रूव हो रही, आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू दिस. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू एक्चुअली, number of questions. Some tests there are 30 questions, 31, 40, 25, 100. So you have to write number of questions. Next column, attempted. Attempted, number of questions attempted, and in terms of percentage also. And you have to share this analysis with me after every test. I will not check number of question, I will check percentage. Like here, what is percentage? Attempted divided by total number of question into 100%. I will teach you percentage. In second or third lecture, I will teach you percentage, so you can calculate that. Attempted divided by number of question into 100%. Not attempted. इसमें सिर्फ नंबर लिख देना होगा. Not attempted. Correct. Wrong. Carelessness. हाँ जी, tell me by carelessness what I mean. केयरलेसनेस क्या होगी? कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक और फॉर्मूला मिस्टेक, और क्या क्या हो सकती है? ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस की वजह से. इफ इन क्वेश्चन दे आस्क द करेक्ट वन, नॉट करेक्ट वन, यू हैव रेड करेक्ट वन. हरी, हाँ वो हरी की वजह से. केयरलेसनेस मेरे अकॉर्डिंग एक बीमारी है, मतलब दैट इज नॉर्मल एक्चुअली, बट द डिग्री वेरी. If out of 80 question 8 question you are doing carelessness, that is harmful for us. If out of 80 question only one question you are doing carelessness, that is okay, वो चलेगा. This is natural actually, but we have to minimize this. हमें इसको minimize करना है. I tell you the logic for that, how we will able to minimize that. I tell you, उसका भी एक तरीका बताऊंगा आपको. Silly mistake analysis नहीं होता आपके. So what you have to do, you have to work on this. You have to check the question where you got wrong answer. You have to write the detail why you got wrong answer. You have to write the detail why you have done carelessness, maybe calculation mistake. You have to write over there. Don't ignore your carelessness. If you go to any doctor and there is problem with the BP, so doctor will ask you maintain the chart. Alternate day check your BP and maintain the chart, or maintain, if sugar problem, maintain the chart. So if daily you observe that the changes in your BP, then you will be conscious about that. You will try to correct it. Sugar also, you try to correct it. If daily you will see your carelessness and you will work on that carelessness, so it will be in your mind, then every time it will be in your mind that you have to control it. अगर आप इग्नोर करोगे तो इग्नोर ही करोगे. शुगर चेक ही नहीं कर रहे तो वो फिर कम कैसे होगी? It will not be controlled. If you will work on that, then only it will be controlled. So we have to give importance to this carelessness. Till date अब तक हम carelessness avoid करते थे. We never realized that we are getting 6-7 question wrong, जो कि blunder है. कुछ नहीं आता, that is okay, we can understand. I don't know this, I have to leave this question. But these are the thing you know and still you are getting wrong answer. So this is bonus for us actually. We have to work on this. We have to improve our marks here. This is the area where I'm sure that if you give all the tests, I can make you to gain 10 to 15 marks. Just merely we will improve on this. We will work on this. After that, there is one more thing. Next column is accuracy. आज मैं कुछ पढ़ा नहीं रहा. I will teach from the next class. But this is very very important. जितनी भी चीजें बता रहा हूँ, these are the most important thing. Don't ignore any of the point. Accuracy. Any of you, like let me check how many of you are really good in mathematics. I have to calculate accuracy percentage. Can anyone tell me how I can calculate my accuracy? Accuracy कैसे calculate होगी? Online student also can tell me accuracy.
Right by number of pattern.
Right question, correct question divided by attempted into 100%. So this will be your accuracy. You write correct questions. Like you attempted 30 questions. Out of 30, 20 are correct. So 20 upon 30 into 100% is your accuracy percentage. 66.66%. So you have to find that accuracy percentage. Those who have given prelims exam, those who were not able to qualify because of CSET, I tell you what is the reason here. And we have to control that. We will have one behavior change. Not only mathematics classes will help you, behavior change is also important here. I need one behavior change in you. And for that reason, I included test series here. See, I have given admission in 10,000 before test series also. Students, they have taken admission. But here from my side, I told you there has to be a test series. I have not charged anything extra for that actually. Okay? But because I need result. And not only classes, behavior change is important. In the changing turn, I tell you what is that behavior change. Very good, Saurabh. अब next बताता हूँ. We need one behavior change. Those who have given prelims exam, they know that. They can feel that because they have done that mistake. Now here, or all of you have that feeling. Tell me one thing. When you are in UPSC examination hall, you are not able to solve some question. But when you come out of the examination hall, next day at your home, you are sitting in the garden or you are sitting at the terrace, balcony में खूबसूरत चेहरे देखते हुए, you look on that question. Solve हो जाता है ना? You are able to solve that question. So question is not the problem. That environment is the problem actually. Question is not the problem. If you check, there are some question which you were not able to solve in UPSC examination hall. At your home, you are able to solve. And there are certain question where you have done calculation mistake in UPSC examination, but at home you realize, oh, this is the silly mistake I have done, this is the calculation mistake I have done. What is that problem? Environment. UPSC एग्जाम का जो डर है, एंग्जाइटी के एक वर्ड होता है एंग्जाइटी, ठीक है, हरीनेस, वो आई कहां से एंग्जाइटी बताता हूं. In UPSC at the back of your mind you have one thing, there are 80 question and the time is 120 minutes. सबके माइंड में बैक में ये चीज छपी हुई है, we have 80 question and the time here is 2 hours. So it means per question it is 1.5 minute. Yes. So here you have, आपके माइंड को हमेशा कॉन्स्टेंटली एक ऑर्डर जाता है, यू गिव वन ऑर्डर टू योर माइंड दैट यू हैव टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चन इन 1.5 minute. सोल्व कर, सोल्व कर, सोल्व कर. और माइंड ऐसा निकम्मा है, इफ यू पुट मोर प्रेशर वो काम ही छोड़ देता है, नहीं कर रहा, मैं नहीं कर रहा कैलकुलेशन, मैं गलती कर रहा हूं, जा क्या करेगा. दिस इज अवर माइंड एक्चुअली. सो हियर बिकॉज ऑफ दैट हरीनेस प्लस एग्जाम एंग्जाइटी, दैट इज डेडली कॉम्बिनेशन. ठीक है, वी आर नॉट एबल टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चन. And what happened? This is 2 hours. Those who have given the prelims exam, those who have given any of the exam, you can feel that. Starting half an hour, it is okay. After that, this anxiety or this pressure, this panic keep on increasing. It is not adding, ये multiply होता जाता है, ये ऐसे जाएगा. After 1 hour, तो like anything. Simple calculation also we are not able to do because of that anxiety, because of that pressure. ठीक है, because of that hurriness, and that's why we are not able to solve questions. तो वो anxiety बन कहाँ से रही थी? Because of this thing, 1.5 minute per question, per question. We have to make this behavior change in us. We have to train our mind that like we have enough time. We have to keep our mind calm. वो कैसे करेंगे बताते. If I'm wrong in that calculation, you can raise your objection, my lord. Even with 40 question, you can qualify your CSET. And now changing trend here is we will not target 80 question. We will leave some question. Examiner tough बना रहा है, बना ले, मैं करता ही नहीं है question. I will leave this question for sure. There is one question which will take 6 minutes, and there is another question which will take 1.5 minutes. This question will give you how much marks? 2.5. CSAT is 2.5 marks. And this question will give you same. So if I can leave this question, आते हुए भी. So now the trend here is we will leave two type of question. One which we don't know. Second which are time consuming, which will take 6-7 minutes. That much time consuming actually. Because in 6 minutes I can target 4 question of this type. Then I can target 10 marks. So either I'm getting 2.5 marks, I'm getting 10 marks. So we will leave certain question. In the changing trend, we will not attempt all 80 questions. We will leave the questions, and with that series, we will practice that. And even extreme case, I tell you, if you target only 40 question, still you can qualify CSET. How come? देखो, 40 question, but there is a condition. Your accuracy has to be 90%. आधी बात मत सुनना. एज ए स्टूडेंट वी हैव दैट हैबिट, जो हमें सुनना हम वही सुनते हैं. यू वांट टू हियर कि दैट यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट लेस नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन. सुन तो लिया 40 क्वेश्चन, यू अटेम्प्ट 40 क्वेश्चन, एक्यूरेसी 50%, धराशायी 40 क्वेश्चन प्रोवाइडेड दैट योर एक्यूरेसी इज 90%, एंड वी विल वर्क ऑन दैट. वी विल मेंटेन 80%, 90% एक्यूरेसी. What will be the use of that? Because there is a vicious circle. एक vicious circle चल रहा है in CSET. We have to break that vicious circle. We have to break that, and we will do that actually. Here 90% accuracy means 36 correct, 4 wrong. Each correct answer give you 2.5 marks. So 36 and 2.5 means you get 90 marks. But for this 4 question wrong, 4 into 2.5, 10 marks. For this 10 marks, you get negative marking, which is 1/3. 3.33 will be deducted as your negative marking. This is 86.66. And what is the qualifying mark? 66.66 or 67. Still it is 20 marks extra. Safe zone. What is the benefit of this? We will follow this approach. We will target 50-60 question. 40 is the extreme situation I'm telling you. What is the benefit of this? We will have that behavioral change and we will able to break that vicious circle for that season. Now here in our mind there is a pressure that we have to solve question in 1.5 minutes, but question required actually 2 minutes. You are giving 1.5 minutes, but actually question required 2 minutes. What happened? Because of this less time, because of that hurry, you got wrong answer. आपने 1.5 minutes दिया लेकिन आपका आंसर आया wrong. Tell me, if you have solved a question in 1.5 minutes and you got wrong answer, क्या क्या लॉस हुआ आपको इसमें? क्या क्या खोया आपने? पहले तो आपके 2.5 मार्क्स तो गए, चलो वो क्वेश्चन छोड़ देते तो दैट इज ओके. नेगेटिव मार्किंग 0.833 and time also 1.5 minutes also. Better you leave one question, you devote that time to second question so that you can give more time to that question actually. अच्छा, सौरभ कह रहा है 1 year. वेरी गुड, बिल्कुल यस, काफी लोगों को ये 1 साल कोर्स कर चुका है. नाउ वी विल टारगेट 40 क्वेश्चन. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ योर एक्यूरेसी इज 90%, व्हाट इज द टाइम? 120 minutes. So it means we give a signal to your mind that per question you can afford to take 3 minutes, and that question required actually 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes. So your mind will be calm, that your mind have a message, I have enough time to solve. So you will not be in hurry, and believe me, you will able to solve 60 question if you keep your mind calm. माइंड को तंग मत करो, इसको रिलैक्स रखो, इट विल गिव वंडरफुल रिजल्ट. ये 80 के 80 क्वेश्चन भी सोल्व कर देगा इफ इट इज रिलैक्स. अगर इसको दौड़ाओगे ये दौड़ा देगा. इफ यू आर इन हरी इट विल स्टॉप मेकिंग द थिंकिंग प्रोसेस. सिंपल कैलकुलेशन भी छोड़ देगा फिर ये. सो डोंट पुट प्रेशर ऑन दिस, यू हैव टू रिलैक्स इट. तो वी विल रिलैक्स आवर माइंड दैट even per question we can afford to give 3 minutes, and 3 minutes is more than enough time actually. So what will happen that we can control that hurriness, and if you can control that hurriness your mind will be relaxed, calm bit. देखो exam anxiety is there, but if you add that hurriness to that anxiety, that is deadly combination. Anxiety तो GS में also you have anxiety little bit, but in CSET why we are getting negative result? Because you are in hurry and plus anxiety, that like have problem. So anxiety will be there, but can you control hurriness? Yes, we can control hurriness, because we have to train our mind that if it require 2 minutes, yes we will give. If any question require 2.5 minutes, we will give. And I tell you, per question 3 minutes. Believe me, there will be 15 or 20 question which will take only 1 minute. Even there are certain question you can afford to give 4 minutes also. तो हम क्वेश्चन को 4-4 मिनट भी दे सकते हैं. चलो, मैंने इतना भाषण दिया, कोई डाउट, एनी कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन, कुछ नई चीज समझ में आ रही हो, एनीथिंग लाइक यू वांट टू रेज योर पॉइंट, फील फ्री, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, डिस्कशन है अपना. हाँ जी. No, English part also. English part. Even like if mathematics reasoning where we have shortcut. See here, चलो एक तरीका और बता दो. Hard out is for online student I tell. Explain exam attempt subject. See here, can we use this formula for reading comprehension questions also? Now here, this time we will not target 80 question, we will target around 60 questions. पहले ही बोल के चल रहा हूँ, पहले ही क्लियरली बोल के चल रहा हूँ, टंके की चोट पे बोल रहा हूँ. We have to leave certain question. You have to decide through test series what are the question you are going to leave. One type of question we will leave, those we don't know. वो तो छोड़ने ही छोड़ने, because attempting that question is like suicidal. आते ही नहीं है फिर भी अटेम्प्ट कर रहे हैं. Second type of question we will try to leave which are time consuming for us. Time consuming means 6 minutes or more than that. 3-4 minute questions we will attempt. If any question required up to 4 minutes, we will give try for that, we will attempt that. उसको नहीं छोड़ना. We will leave the question. हाँ जी, ठीक हो. So here 60 question. शिवम रीडिंग कम्प्रेंशन पार्ट विल बी टेकन बाय शकील अहमद सर, बताऊंगा. So out of 60 question, there will be around 20 question where our short trick will work, shortcut will work. And you will able to use this shortcut, short trick if your mind is calm. तो दिमाग को तो शांत रखना ही है for your short trick. Presence of mind is very important. For that you have to keep your mind calm. And even why like test series is important, because if you have that environment, we try to maintain that environment, exam environment through our test series, so you will be used to that environment. हर टेस्ट की एंग्जाइटी आ रही है, अब एंग्जाइटी नॉर्मल हो गई, मतलब कोविड आ रहा है नॉर्मल हो गया हमारे लिए, अब ये आने एंग्जाइटी एग्जाम की कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. तो दैट so we will get that environment every week. If you have that anxiety with you, so then exam anxiety will be normal situation for you. So what will happen here, if you are used to that environment, one thing, and if you can control your hurriness, that you can see हाँ इस क्वेश्चन में ये शॉर्टकट लग रहा है, we can use that shortcut. 20 I guarantee, but maybe 15 question. So 15 question we will able to solve in 30 seconds. 15 second, 30 second. So these questions हमारे लिए वरदान है, will help us to get extra time for reading comprehension question. In the changing trend, I can accept that reading comprehension questions require minimum 3 to 4 minutes. We cannot solve in 1.5 minutes. Reading comprehension question we cannot solve in 1.5 minutes, but these questions in our reasoning, in our quant, in our DI, where we have shortcut, short trick, will help us to get some extra time for reasoning question or reading comprehension question, which are already time consuming. But if we feel this is more than 6-7 minute time consuming, we will leave. वो तो हमें छोड़ना है. There is a doubt online student. Reading comprehension part will be taken by Shakil Ahmed sir. He is having more than 10-year teaching experience. He used to teach in Career Launcher, KSG, Next.js. So he is good with his part. हाँ जी, किसी को कुछ और? देखो पहली क्लास है, आप मुझे समझो, मैं आपको समझूं, हम दोनों मिलके सी सेट को समझें, तभी गाड़ी आगे बढ़ेगी. You do party? Yes. So what do you like? Like some people, they take beer, but I don't like. I have some changes also. So in between we will change the flavor. So what, and flow will be there. Flow will be there. See, if you have to write your mains answer, so flow has to be there. आपको flow mismatch नहीं लगेगा कभी भी. What I will take, like I take next class on number system. Number system I take total 7 to 8 classes. But my problem is I cannot take all 7-8 classes in a go. Because if I take all 7-8 classes in a go, you will not come in the next class. Reason being is there are in number system we have one basic thing which I will take in the first class. Then we have moderate difficulty level concept which I will take after 2-3 classes. There are some difficult concept also. Remainder theorem, 243 is to power 243 plus 245 is to power 245, 247 is to power 247. So I will take topic according to your comfort zone. In 6th-7th class, you will not be comfortable to understand this topic. You will be comfortable to understand this topic after 20 or 25 class. So I will take this part of number system later on. So what I divided syllabus according to your comfort zone. देखो आपकी भी माइंड की एक स्पीड से चल रहा है. if I do this analysis in the month of May, आप कहोगे क्या बकवास कर रहे हैं, अगले महीने मेरा पेपर है, चलो चलते हैं. तो you will not give importance to this analysis actually. So here right now your mind is very calm, there is no anxiety at all. है एंग्जाइटी नेगेटिव है, अभी तो मजे कर रहे हो. चल अभी तो 31 दिसंबर आपको दिख रहा है, अभी तो एग्जाम दिख ही नहीं रहा है. तो हियर नाउ वी विल लर्न बेसिक कांसेप्ट्स, बिकॉज इन द मंथ ऑफ मे आई कैन नॉट टीच बेसिक टू यू बिकॉज योर माइंड विल बी रनिंग वेरी फास्ट. आपकी स्पीड 80 की, आपकी गाड़ी 80 की स्पीड से चल रही होगी. ठीक है, यू नीड लाइक आप इतने हंग्री होंगे, फटाफट पढ़ा दो सर, क्विक रिवीजन, आई नीड क्विक रिवीजन. आई डोंट हैव दैट टाइम टू लिसन योर ऑल स्टोरी, नहीं सुन पाऊंगा. So here starting phase, basic concept of number system, percentage, and then related to that topic. In between I take a reasoning topic. Okay, so then like, but there will be a sequence and you will be informed about the timetable every week. Like Saturday I will inform next week what are the classes I'm going to take, and every week we have 4 classes. Yes, test you can take offline, classes not possible. Initial strategy should be for mathematics fundamental from our side. That is okay. Yes, you can do that. Acha, next, there is one announcement for you, very important announcement. Some student, because of this new year event, so they ask like, sir, give 2-3 days off. So what I will do, I start classes. This is this analysis we have done. Our classes we start from actually 3rd January. And I will finish the course in time. Beach mein, like after 1 month, I can take extra class, one extra class. So here, 3rd January from Monday, we will have only teaching. In between, I will cover basic part, I cover analysis. So our class is from 3rd January. You will get handout also. Today का part, आज तो part था कि CSET को हमें समझना है. अभी भी जो भी झिझक हो, कुछ भी हो आपके माइंड में, feel free to ask. अच्छा, एक चीज आप नहीं बोल रहे, मैं बोल देता हूँ. सम स्टूडेंट दे से सर वी आर वेरी स्लो इन कैलकुलेशन. आप नहीं बोलोगे, मैं बोल देता हूँ. ठीक है, या तो आप डाउट पूछो, नहीं तो मैं अपनी तरफ से डाउट बोलता जाऊंगा, आप अपनी मुंडी हिलाते रहो. यस. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर स्लो इन कैलकुलेशन? आपको थोड़ा डाउट है कि हूं कि नहीं हूं, नहीं पता. I tell you the reason why you people are slow in calculation. There is one thing called table from 11 to 20. हाँ जी, जिसने हाथ खड़ा किया था बताओ किसको टेबल आती है 11 to 20. All the table on your tips. So this is homework for you, for all of you. Not only that student, those who start from 0. जिसको लग रहा है कि मैं माशाल्लाह हूँ मैथमेटिक्स में, आ जाओ, चैलेंज है आपके लिए. 11 to 20 टेबल अगर आती है तो आपको. School days thing, I tell you the logic behind this, why these tables are important. And one more thing, one more homework for you. 2 square to 25 square. न्यू ईयर मत खराब करना, एंजॉय करना कर लेना, बट थोड़ा टाइम इसको भी दे, 1-2 घंटा. Table from 2 to 20 actually, but I'm not like school teachers, so 2 to 10 not required. Even table of 11 you can skip. Table of 20 also you can skip. Table of 15 also you can skip if you know that. जिसको 15 भी नहीं आती तो you know. Mainly the table of 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19 has to be on your tips. No, only NCERT, and that is only 6, 7, 8. 9, 10th also not required because I have to cover. आपने पैसे दिए ना किसी चीज के. 9, 10 concept I will cover in the class, don't worry. Table of 22 also you mug up. I tell you the reason. There is one thing called pi, and we take value of pi is 22/7. When we will solve geometry and mensuration question, we take multiple of 22. So you better remember table. Table of 24 also and 25 also. Why I am saying you remember table of 24? Because in one day we have 24 hours. So I will ask in 6 days how many total hours. So you have to multiply 24 into 6. हाँ जी, कुछ गलत आंसर आया था निकल के. 144 है. Why these tables are important? Logic भी बता. In exam, you will say 19 into 6. How it matter? I will take 3-4 seconds. I can calculate. Because you can calculate 114, like 9 6 are 54, 5 6 plus 5 is 114. Either you know this, it will take fraction of second. But if you calculate in the exam, it will take 3 to 4 seconds. Not more than that, 3-4 seconds. उससे ज़्यादा time नहीं लगेगा. 3 to 4 seconds is not my concern. इतना तो मैं दानवीर हूँ. 3-4 सेकंड तो मैं वैसे ही त्याग दूंगा. But what is important here, in your paper 80 questions, here this type of calculation will be around 200 times. Every question there will be 2 to 3 calculation, choti calculation. There will be small calculation. Every question you will have 3 to 4 calculation or more. Nearly 200 small calculation we have in our paper. And every calculation, if you are wasting your 4 seconds, it means you have wasted your 800 to 1000 seconds. Nearly 15-16 minutes. That is my concern. This 15 minutes is my concern, because in 15 minutes you can solve 4 or 5 extra questions. So you have to save every second, every millisecond we have to save actually, if we can. And this is in our hand. कोई बड़ी rocket science नहीं है. You write on A4 size paper this table from 2 to 20, 22, 24, 25 and square value 2 to 25 square, and you place that paper near to your study table, near to your bed, और जहाँ पे आप ज़्यादा टाइम बिताते हो वहाँ पे. एक बोला मैं बालकनी में ज़्यादा रहता हूँ, बालकनी में लगा. वॉशरूम में ज़्यादा रहता तो वॉशरूम में लगा. Okay. For UPSC people, we don't have the poster of Sunny Leone or Brad Pitt. We have the poster of Constitution of India in our washroom. ठीक है, उसी से IAS बनना हमें. And you look on this table twice, thrice, daily have a look on this table. Within a week you get familiar with this value. This is the logic. अगर मैं गलत बोल रहा हूँ तो बताओ. Even if 10 minutes, if it save overall 10 minutes, that also a big deal. If it save your 3 to 4 minutes, then also it is a big deal. हाँ जी, और कुछ डाउट? Online student, Harsh, हाँ जी, you can ask your doubt. And next class is on 3rd. और मैं कहूंगा कि फर्स्ट क्लास इज ऑन 3rd जनवरी. 3rd से ही स्टार्ट करेंगे. दिस इज जस्ट एनालिसिस, सिलेबस कंप्लीशन, डेडलाइन. ओ भाई साहब, पहले मैं भाई साहब का एक डाउट ले लूं. सिलेबस कंप्लीशन, डेडलाइन. Generally, I categorize student in category, although I will tell you in the next class also. Category 1 student, category 2, category 3. सिर्फ category 1 बता दूं. Those who are not comfortable in basic, those who say that we have to start from zero, वो वाले. What I realize in last 9-10 years of my teaching experience, these people, those who are not comfortable in the basic of mathematics, they love their category so much, they don't want to leave their category. वो इसी category में जीना मरना चाहते हैं. They don't want to improve actually. So it is not my speed or my coverage will tell you. It is your observation, your acceptance of the topic will also matter. Like evening batch 5 o'clock, like they ask, like वहाँ पे तो काफी category 1 है, भरी हुई है category 1 से. There is a one topic, coloring of cube. Generally I take with cube. मैं नहीं पढ़ा पाया उनको, क्योंकि उनको वो कलरिंग ऑफ ट्यूब पढ़ा दिया होता तो बाकी और कुछ नहीं पढ़ा पाता, क्योंकि उनके इतने डाउट्स आते हैं, जनरल सिंपल डाउट्स. तो हियर इफ यू आर रियली वांट टू इंप्रूव ऑन योर कैटेगरी और यू विल वर्क हार्ड, तो 3 months. And if you people will not change your category, then 4 months. भाई 2 घंटे का काम if I am able to do in 2 hours, then 3 months. If it will take 3 hours or 4 hours, generally a topic take 2 hours me to teach. But if you will not accept that, if you will have cross question I don't mind. But you will say sir नहीं समझ में आ रहा, सिंपल चीजें भी, तो then I have to put more effort, I have to give you more examples, then it will take extra time. 2-4 दिन 5 दिन एक्स्ट्रा लग सकता है. हार्ट्स का डाउट है हाउ टू अटेम्प्ट सीसेट पेपर. अभी के लिए ये क्वेश्चन नहीं है, इसके लिए वेट करो. इन द सेंस विच पार्ट टू अटेम्प्ट फर्स्ट. हर्ष नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये नहीं पूछ लेना सर हाउ टू प्रिपेयर फॉर इंटरव्यू. क्लासेस आर ऑन. नहीं इट्स ओके. आते हैं मेरे पास 9th स्टैंडर्ड का स्टूडेंट आएगा सर इंटरव्यू में किस तरह के क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, मेरे को नहीं पता. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday we have classes 2 to 4. But since there is New Year celebration in between, so we will start our classes from 3rd January. Make sure category 1 student, those who are to start from 0, you read at least number system from 6th, 7th, 8th NCERT. Make sure. So how to attempt? I will handle all of your query. How to attempt CSAT paper, which part first, which part later, or how we can divide that 2 hour time slot. I will tell you each and everything. Don't worry, but not right now. अभी वो बता भी दूंगा तो you will forget. फिर आपने अपनी स्ट्रेटेजी लगानी है लास्ट में. हाँ जी, यहाँ पे कोई डाउट था? हाँ वो हाँ थोड़ा सा मिलता जुलता है आज से क्वेश्चन. We will write letter to UPSC that give reading comprehension question in one go, then give reasoning question, then quantitative aptitude question. Or what we can do, we can follow the UPSC pattern in our test series. So if UPSC have scattered, we will have more scattered question in our test. Then only like जो UPSC कर रहा है, we will follow the same thing. तो वही कर सकते हैं. Sir, does investing time in Vedic math work? अच्छा, ये बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. How many of you learn Vedic math? हर्ष, आपने वैदिक मैथ सीखा है? लिटिल बिट. नहीं सीखना था. वो एक मूवी ना धमाल, वो कहते सामने लाल बटन दिख रहा है, मैंने दबा दिया. नहीं दबाना था. बस ज्यादा मत सीखना, जितना सीख लिया. ओके, वैदिक मैथ इज नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर सीएसएट. वैदिक मैथ इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर बैंकिंग एसएससी एग्जाम. कैलकुलेशन के लिए तो है ना वैदिक मैथ. एंड आई टोल्ड यू द विद लॉजिक दैट कैलकुलेशन इज नॉट दैट इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर सीएसएट. आप बता देता हूँ वैदिक मैथ क्या बीमारी का नाम है एक्चुअली फॉर सीएसएट. वैसे तो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि जहां पे भी वेद लिख गया, हाउ वी कैन लाइक डिसरिस्पेक्ट दिस थिंग. वैदिक मैथ, this is for calculation part actually. Like here, how we can calculate fast if it is 999 multiply with something, okay, or if there is last digit is 9, last digit is 1. It is not clerical exam actually, not required at all, not required at all. And I tell you one thing, if you like agree with me, you can tell yes. Any new thing, if I teach you new calculation method other than your school method, if I teach you, will you able to use? No. You have to practice. You have to practice at least minimum 10 times. You have to observe that. Otherwise, you will not able to use. School methods are in your blood. I guarantee you, I take 6 to 7 session on Vedic math. In exam, use school method on. गारंटी से कह सकता हूँ आपने अल्टीमेटली यूज ही स्कूल मेथड करना है, बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट इजी टू यूज एक्चुअली. यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस सो मच so that you can observe this Vedic math, and that is difficult. So what my suggestion here is, either I will take 6-7 lecture on Vedic math, or in this 6-7 lecture I can teach you UPSC की नहीं मोहब्बत, basic numeracy questions, cry plus cry plus cry is equal to baby, that example, or this type of questions, plus statement based questions, plus multiple topic questions. It will not help you, this will help you. ये ज्यादा बेटर है. So here Vedic math is not required, later is preferred of course. Yes. ठीक है. हाँ जी, और कुछ डाउट? आप क्यों नहीं पूछ रहे? क्योंकि सब लोग ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं, ये ऑनलाइन वाले कुछ भी पूछ रहे हैं. यू कैन ऑल्सो आस्क. ऑफलाइन स्टूडेंट कैन ऑल्सो आस्क, ऑनलाइन ऑल्सो, ऑफलाइन ऑल्सो. Please explain attempt concept which you just said, sir. Which attempt concept? Slides change कर रहा हूँ, बता देना. बोल देना थांबा. नहीं, वो DR अभिषेक कुछ बोलना है. ये 40 क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट वाला. प्रीवियस स्लाइड. दिस वन. yes, this. Total number of question in the test how many question you attempted. मान लो if there are 30 question, you attempted 20, तो write 20. Not attempted, obviously 10. ऐसा तो नहीं होगा कोई क्वेश्चन हाफ अटेम्प्ट है वो काउंट कर रहे होंगे. तो टोटल ऑफ दिस अटेम्प्टेड नॉट अटेम्प्टेड विल बी इक्वल टू टोटल नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. देन करेक्ट, जो आपके रॉन्ग करेक्ट है, रॉन्ग है केयरलेसनेस, एक्यूरेसी. एक्यूरेसी इज करेक्ट, ये वाला कॉलम डिवाइडेड बाय दिस कॉलम इनटू 100%, इनटू 100%. लास्ट रो पूछ लो जो पूछना. दिस साइड. हाँ जी, शॉर्ट ट्रिक बिल्कुल. हाँ जी, बता देता हूँ. सर कैन वी अनम्यूट टू आस्क ए डाउट? इन डाउट सेशन वी कैन डू, बट इन क्लास नो. इन क्लास आवर एक्सपीरियंसेस काफी डिस्टर्बेंस रहती है. इन डाउट डिस्कशन दिस कैन बी डन. I tell you my style. Starting few classes, I start with the basic. In between, I tell you the short trick also. After that, there are some driver in car, like maybe many of you know driving. The gear वाला, automatic नहीं. Automatic driving is like scooty. आप scooty चला रहे हो, उसमें कोई जिल है ही नहीं. Gear वाला गाड़ी, I don't know how many of you drive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 reverse. Some driver what they do 1, 3, 5. ठीक है, they skip 2 and 4. So I also prefer the same thing. Once we have done basic, then we can directly move to short trick. Basic I will clear because that is the required. Without basic, you will have more doubts like how come this short trick is used. Okay, so basic I will clear. Plus wherever we have short trick, I will clear you that short trick and we will practice. And I follow a rule of 3 question. 3 question. Basic के बाद short trick. When I will take any type, I take 3 questions on that, because my experience is when I take one question, 70-80% student they understand. Those who miss in first question, maybe because of reason you are slow learner, or maybe आप क्वेश्चन की जगह कहीं और देख रहे थे, होता है कई बार. Then I take second question. With the second question, 90-95% student they understand. With third question, 99.99% student they understand. Okay. So whenever I take any topic, I will tell you, like I will take 3 questions. Then I take one question, student they say sir समझ में नहीं आया. Wait, मुझे पता है. So that's why I take 3 questions. Once I complete 3 questions, then I ask you any doubt. Then you can say sir, still there is a doubt or it is clear. Okay. Still there will be doubt. After the class, it is half an hour doubt discussion we have. Okay, that we will do. So I follow this one. मैं एक क्वेश्चन नहीं लेता. I take multiple questions, 3. If I like, and I always prefer to teach, like nowadays this is hybrid model, offline plus online. Why I prefer offline teaching? Because with your face I can judge have you understood or not. ठीक है, आपकी फेस रिकॉग्निशन से आइडिया हो जाएगा. सो आपको बोलने की जरूरत नहीं होगी. I myself will realize कि with this 3 example you understood or not. If I feel you have not understood, I will take 1 or 2 extra example myself. I will take, or you can ask me to take. You ask her one more example, I will take one more example. But generally what I do, when I take first question and student they are not able to understand, I explain that question sometimes, but sometimes I change the question itself. I take new question. Because 90% student they understood. So if I will explain again, so it will not be good. So I will take new question, then I will teach step by step. You will understand and other will also enjoy because they got new question for the same concept. They will also be engaged. So I will take care of that point. And what I do, I break generally lecture in types, different types. Type 1, I will clear the type 1. Then I will take type 2. I will clear the type 2, type 3, type 4, and I clear the concepts also. So this is my style. And this is this thing. This is very important actually. I found very, very important. yes, running notes, we will provide you PDF for the questions के handouts provide करेंगे.
How will get to know that this question requires more than 6 minutes, 2 minutes or 4 minutes?
Practice make man perfect, women as well. Second is 35 test. So when we will do question in test series, you get a feeling. And why I'm not giving only 4-5 tests? Because 4-5 में वो feeling आना ही start होती है, and एकदम से फिर खत्म. So we don't have that learning on that feeling. तो हमें वो feeling भी learn करनी है कि like how we can just this type of questions are more time consuming for me. And that's why my suggestion, my strong suggestion to you, some students they give only 4-5 tests, after that they don't give test, you give 35 tests, because जो result आएगा 30 इसका वो 15 टेस्ट के बाद ही आएगा. The result you will feel after 15 test only. The learning you will feel after 15 test only. जिम का जो इफेक्ट है वो 3 महीने 4 महीने में ही दिखेगा. If you have consult any dietitian, 3 दिन में वेट नहीं कम होगा. It take 1 month 2 month to show you the result. और फिर वो स्टेज ऐसी है जब एक बार रिजल्ट दिखना स्टार्ट होगा ना, यू विल एंजॉय, यू विल लव दिस, फिर वो आपको एक अच्छी फीलिंग आएगी. लेकिन सम स्टूडेंट दे गिव अप बिफोर दैट ऑन, वो फीलिंग से पहले गिव अप हो जाता है. तो यू at least enjoy that feeling. And in UPSC preparation also, I tell you, study material you will get handouts from our side, you will get test series. अच्छा, एक चीज बता रहा था important. What happen? Our mind avoids stress. Even in GS also, you are reading the thing, but you feel stress, your mind will say give up, छोड़ यार, नया सब्जेक्ट उठाते हैं. When you, I think you know the rule of jogging. When you jog for 2-3 kilometers, you will feel pain in your thigh, your calf muscle especially. But still you continue for 4-5 more kilometers. Then you enjoy that. Same thing here. There will be a pressure on your mind. You overcome that. I guarantee you, you will enjoy. आपको बहुत अच्छी feeling आएगी. Either it is CSAT or it is any of the subject. And if you reach that stage, then you will start enjoying this preparation phase actually. अभी तो काफी लोग burden से कर रहे हैं किसी ना किसी reason से, ठीक है, you are started your UPSC preparation, but you overcome that stress. वही test series में भी you overcome that part. But here that is not easy, that is really difficult, because your mind will tell you again and again, छोड़ ना यार, छोड़ इसको, leave it. And what your mind will say, leave polity, take another subject, because your mind avoiding that stress of extra learning of the polity. So इसलिए sometimes you will feel frequently you are changing the subject. That is the reason, because your mind giving you order to avoid that stress, but you overcome that stress, you enjoy that preparation, then you will learn, then you will go to that stage where you will qualify the prelims. ये gap है बस. This is only 20-25 marks margin actually. You have to overcome that. Okay ji, study material you will get handout from our side, you will get tests from our side, and like if I feel any of the student is weak in this particular topic, I will suggest you. Topic wise I will suggest you some sources, because there is no book in the market which I can suggest take this is important for CSET. No, there is no book in market for CSET. Changing trend पे तो है ही नहीं, there is no book. 3rd January we have class. From 3rd January onward, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday. Offline students, see what we do generally, like people they charge for both, but for offline online we kept the fees same. But offline student, in case you are going to miss any lecture, they will charge server cost, they will give you 1 or 2 days access. कुछ एक सर्वर कोर्स हमारा, तो they will charge. तो अगर इन केस आपका लेक्चर मिस हो रहा है, हाँ, if there is from our side, from government side, there is a restriction because of any COVID guideline, like last month because of pollution, then it is our liability, then we will give you online access. अगर ऑफलाइन क्लासेस बंद होती है तो we will give you the dashboard access, वो तो वैसे भी देना है, we will give the access. But in case you are going to miss any of the class, you inform the staff, they will give you 1 day access, they will take a server cost, nominal server cost, so they can give you. तो वो recorded access, क्योंकि we are running for online also, so we have that facility, but they will charge server cost. We have.